Thanks for joining us for part 3 of our Salish 100 journey. In this episode, we make our escape from some pirate raccoons at Blake Island and sail north to Kingston. Go. Let's hope for a good sailing day, huh? Just left Blake Island and got the sails set up. We are heading to Kingston today. The forecast for wind is like 6 to 8, so this is going to be awesome starting out. And it's supposed to build in the afternoon again, up to around 15 is what it said. So we'll see how far we can make it up. Again, we're timing currents. Being newbies on saltwater, we're timing the current, so it's heading out right now, going with us, giving us a little extra speed. Probably not much right now, but yeah, this has been an awesome trip so far, man. The people on this trip are so cool. Really good people, all like-minded. You know, of course, lots of different personalities, but it's been great meeting everybody. So cool to hang out on the docks. So looking forward to get to Kingston to do more of that, but hopefully we'll get a good 6 to 8 hours of sailing today. It's all going to be upwind, so lots of tacking, lots of fun. Along our route north were a number of ferry crossings, transporting people and vehicles from one side of the sound to the other. They are very large and travel quite quickly, making us a little nervous at first, but we learned how to time them properly and stay out of their path. away, sealer. Fair winds to you. Just when we thought the ferries were big, a few Navy ships came cruising down the shipping lane.
Sit in this chair for 1,000 years and watch the woods consume the neighborhood. Watch the ambitions come and go, surround me and engulf me. We could ditch the TV and spend a little more time reading books and singing songs on the porch. Sit here watching the daylight wane, leaving little trace and even less memory. I just want to be still. I just want to be still. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever be free of these things that are weighing heavy on me, that keep me from doing, going on. No, when the sun comes up, I go back to sleep. In our so-called liberation of self, we've only bound the shackles more tightly. Free up your mind and start thinking goodbye. Free your mind and be still. Free your mind and be that's brought us up to this point. It will carry us far beyond it until we are nothing. Sometimes I feel like we're just words on a page. Close your eyes and be still. Close your eyes and be still. Close your eyes and be still. And be still.
Well, we're getting close to Kingston and been sailing the whole way upwind. It's been a beautiful day. So we got about 2 miles left, 3 miles, something like that. Just ran through a huge patch of floating seagrass and stuff on the surface, and that really slowed us down. So I raised the keel and dropped it a few times, and big old clumps came out of there. So I think there's still some down there, but we're making better speed again. So took some off the rudder also. So we are heading in pretty soon. Probably about an hour we'll be at port. We made it. Right behind us is Kingston Marina. You can see masts, and we got the ferry. So we got another, looks like quarter mile, and then we'll drop sails and motor on in, find a slip, hopefully.
The end of the day, Ryan and his son are just getting here.
That is what I'd call a potato patch, right? That can be lumpy, especially if you have a northerly blowing and you have an ebb. What's happening tomorrow? Is there a northerly tomorrow?
All right, so we're on the Salish 100. And would you introduce yourself and your boat?
I'm Danny. This is the West White Potter 19 Bingo.
All right.
Yep.
And what's your favorite part of the Salish so far?
I like the people
Yeah.
and and exploring the Pacific Northwest is my first time up here, and to do it on the water, casual like this, is really fun.
Yeah, awesome. Well, I'm glad you could make it up.
Yeah, I got to fly my spinnaker off my homemade bowsprit there, and that's what I like. Spinnaker runs is my favorite.
Yeah. Well,
And we've got a lot of north in the wind, so I had to turn around to sail it, but it was great.
awesome. Well, we'll see you out there.
Yep, see you there.
All right.
Hi, my name is Dave Eiler. My wife and I, Brenda, are taking Montgomery 15. This is our third year on the Salish, and we've enjoyed the people, and the sailing's been good. We've had some good moments and some lack of wind moments, but it's been a pretty good sail overall.
Awesome. What would you say is your favorite part of the Salish?
This time was out here. We had the mix of the wind and the currents and the waves, and
Yeah.
it's made for a pretty energized sailing experience. But it all worked, and we had a great time.
Awesome.
So I think yesterday was the best day.
Very good. Awesome. Thank you.
Well, thank you. All right, Brian.
As always, thanks for watching, and check out the Northwest Maritime website for more information on the Salish 100 cruise.